Hey, good morning, everyone. My name's Scott Lucas. I'm with Keystone RV, and we're here at the Dallas RV Show with United RV. I want to take just a few minutes to show you this 2024 261 BH Keystone Hideout Sport. An exciting trailer with all kinds of features for you and your family. First of all, one of the biggest things is the TPO roof. Has a lifetime warranty on that roof. On a travel trailer, that's for peace of mind. Absolutely fabulous. Then we come on down here to the bottom. You've got electric jacks all the way around this unit. You've also got a power tongue jack on the front. Convenience, ease of use, fantastic trailer. The other big deal here is that this unit has a tankless water heater versus all of the competition around here with a 6-gallon water heater. If your kids want to take a shower, your wife wants to take a shower, don't worry about it. Tankless water heater on this unit. All kinds of features. We've got a patented AC system that's going to be 20% more efficient. Hey, Scott Lucas here again with Keystone RV. Inside the 261 BH Sport model today, just wanted to show you a few things. First of all, we've gone to a new gray decor for 2024. Nice, crisp, and clean look, very residential. When you come over here, we've got a nice large sink, oversized faucet as well. Also, this unit is fully prepped for our SolarFlex 220 system. What that means for you is that you've got plugs up on the roof if you did want to put a few panels up there. You've also got all of your outlets can be tied to your solar system right here. So when you are camping, you can be boondocking, and Keystone is going to lead the way with our solar system. Come on down and ask one of the salespeople all about it. Thanks for looking.